Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a disconnected from the AnyDesk network error. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. What you got to do first is go ahead and close AnyDesk. Now go to your search bar and just type down Windows Defender Firewall. Okay. Now, once this one pops up, go ahead and click on it. And then this window will pop up. Right here at the top left, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And in this section, go ahead and click on Change. Now go ahead and scroll down and find AnyDesk. Right here, as you can see, I have two. Yours may be different. You may only have one. Just make sure that both private and public are both ticked, okay? As you can see here, all are ticked. And then once that's done, just go ahead and click on OK. Close this one. Now restart your computer first. And after that, go ahead and launch AnyDesk and everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. Now if that still won't work, just make sure that you go ahead and use Wi-Fi connection instead of Ethernet. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.